Ever since I started using Adobe After Effects, I have used one plugin that has single-handedly made my workflow so much faster. That plugin has allowed me to save time, get projects done faster, and be more efficient while creating the content that I'm creating. So every motion graphic designer should use this plugin. And that plugin is FX Console, and that's created by Video Copilot. Is free. Go get this plugin. It's a free download, works on both Mac and PC, and I'm going to go through how to use it, and I'm going to show you just how fast it can be, so this will be a short video. There's no actual window for this. There's nowhere that it's actually going to live in After Effects, because I would describe this as a passive plugin, and pretty much what you do is I'm going to just get a just a comp opened up, and it'll just be something for the tutorial. So I'm gonna learn how to spell as well at some point in my life. Put in a solid, big old pinky, and then what you do to use this plugin is you hit on PC. It is Control Space to pull it up, and anywhere your cursor is, it'll pop up this little window, and it actually allows you to do a couple things. It allows you to take a screenshot, which is kind of cool. I don't really know why you would do it, but it allows you to just take a screenshot. It'll let you go to the gallery of your screenshots. It'll let you download or export. So instead of going through the minute process of hitting composition, add to render queue, you can just hit Control Space and start your export here. But then it also will allow you to change some settings of the entire UI of the plugin itself, but I always leave it the exact same just because it's sleek. It matches the current it matches the current After Effects look anyways, but it also just lets you customize and create shortcuts as far as if you're using a specific effect often, you want to add that effect. So if you're always using a camera blur, you can add your camera blur here, and that way whenever you're walking through your After Effects composition, you pull up your FX console, you can immediately just click on that first drop down and put your most used effect onto your onto the layer that you're selecting. If you don't have shortcuts, which I usually don't because it's just faster for me to just hit Control Space to pull it up, and then I'll just type in, what am I using? I need a stroke. So I hit stroke, hit enter, and it gets applied to the this layer. It is the best plugin ever, because otherwise you're doing this. Going to effect, I need to distort, and then turbulent displacement. Whereas if I needed turbulent displacement, I could just do turbulent display, already there. And it feels like well, it's only saving you like 3 seconds. It's saving you 3 seconds on a multitude of instances across all of your projects. So you are saving an exorbitant amount of time by using this plugin. So I couldn't recommend it enough. There'll be a link in the description of the video so that you can go download it yourself. I was not sponsored by Video Copilot. I'm not a big channel, but this is just me telling you, go use this plugin. It is huge. It will save you time. It'll make you a better animator. You will spend less time worrying about where an effect is and more time being creative and using that effect how you need to use it. So go download that plugin and be sure to subscribe. And odds are, since you're here, there's probably another video on a topic that you probably have questions about. So watch this video. There's a ton of stuff on my channel, so go watch it. Thank you.